Welcome to Agro Peruvian Foods, healthy and nutritious by nature, from Peru to the world. We feel honored as Peruvians and grateful to God for having a great Andean, Amazonian, and coastal biodiversity, which today contributes to universal healthy food. Our different climates make Peru a suitable place to enjoy products. Agro Peruvian Foods is dedicated to explore quality foods such as exotic and ancestral fruits, vegetables, and more. We have mangoes, avocados, lemons, turmerics, gingers, and purple corn. Thanks for choosing us. Agro Peruvian Foods, healthy and nutritious by nature.